Tired of digging through menus just to type a square symbol? You know the one. That little raised 2 you need for square feet, square meters, or mathematical equations. You waste time hunting through the insert menu, or even worse, copy and pasting it from somewhere else. Instantly insert it with one shortcut in Microsoft Word. I promise, by the end of this, you will never fumble for that symbol again. Alright, so here's the plan. I am going to show you 2 quick, simple steps. First, we get the symbol on the page. Then we convert it with a key combo. That is all there is to it. Let's go. First things first, you need a square symbol to work with. Now, if you are thinking, wait, is this a trick? You said I could do it instantly. Hang on with me for just a second. You only have to grab this symbol from your keyboard once. No menus, no clicking through layers of options, no copy and paste from the internet. You just type a regular number 2. Just a normal 2. So go ahead and type a simple 2 in your document anywhere you want that square symbol to appear. For example, if you are saying 10 square meters, just type 10 space and then the number 2. Right now, it just looks like a regular old 2, but that is exactly what we want. And here is the really important part. Once you have that number 2 typed, you need to highlight it. Select it with your mouse. Click and drag right over that single 2 so it is highlighted in blue. Just that one character. Not the space before it, not the word after it. Just that 2. Get it nice and selected. This is your starting point. So now that we have that highlighted, let us move on to the magic part. This is the shortcut that feels like a hidden superpower. You are going to press and hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Keep holding that down. Then, while you are holding Control, you are going to press and hold down the Shift key. So now you have both Control and Shift held down together. And finally, with both of those still held down, tap the equals key. That is the equals sign right next to the backspace key on most keyboards. So Ctrl Shift Equals. Press them all together. As soon as you do that, watch what happens to that highlighted 2. It pops up instantly. It shrinks and rises into that perfect little superscript symbol. That is your square symbol. So you go from typing a boring number 2 and highlighting it to pressing Ctrl, Shift, Equals, and boom, it is done. That is the whole trick. No menu diving, no copy and paste, just that one keyboard shortcut that Microsoft Word has had hidden in plain sight this whole time. And here is something cool you can do right now to lock this in. Try it again. Type another regular 2. Highlight it. Ctrl, Shift, Equals. See how fast that is? Now you have the skill, and you can do it on any number. You could make a 3 for cubic feet, or any other letter you want to turn into superscript. The shortcut works for anything. But for the square symbol, this is your go-to, so now you are never going to waste time hunting through menus again. You have the shortcut. You know how to use it. It is all yours. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.